Why cooperating is best job to do? Because with the cooperating you can able to achieve financial freedom. So why cooperating is very important? Because once you become a very great cooperator, now you have the great chance to achieve the financial freedom in your life. So right now whatever the things which you are doing right now, so let's take an example. If you are a job person, so if you become a good cooperator, if you sell the product of businesses, if you sell their services also sell. So there are so many cooperators have so much of client. They write for the SEO people also, digital marketing people also, public speaker also. So if you are able to sell their product and services more, then you will earn a lot of money. So once you earn a lot of money, so you don't have to spend your time in order to earn the money. Now you have enough money, you can have some other people also, you can have some other teammates also, and you can start your own cooperating agency also. And once you make that agency big, now you can able to achieve the financial freedom. Now you don't have to work for money. Now you can work for that particular vision. Now you can work for that particular business kind of a mindset. That's why it is very important for you to understand with cooperating you can able to achieve financial freedom. Second thing, why cooperating is very important to do? Because with cooperating you can able to achieve time freedom also. If you are a great cooperator, right? See, in starting you have to work hard. In starting you have to show that you are very disciplined. In starting you have to show that you can able to create the results for the business. But once you become a great cooperator, then in that time you don't have to work a lot. Now you just have to manage the people. You just have to give the skill to all the people who don't have the skill. You can create your team. You can teach them about that. You can see their copies and you can try to find out where the mistake is. And once you are able to do that, now you don't have to work that much. Now you are able to achieve the time freedom, because you don't have to it's you don't have to work by yourself. Now you are managing all the people. Now you are looking into so many people, so you just have to manage. And once you are managing, then your job becomes very easy. You don't have to do the job, you just have to manage all the people. Still also you are doing the job, but you will be able to achieve the time freedom. Third, cooperating is depend upon the result. See, whenever you get paid on the time basis, it's called job. You go there in the business, you tell them that I will give my 8 hours, just tell me what exactly my salary is. Then there is a three or four round of an interview negotiation is going to be happen. That's a different story. But cooperators sometimes there are certain cooperators who straight away go to the businessman and they tell them that don't pay me X amount of dollar, I will write your Facebook ad. If my Facebook ad will generate 100 sales for you, just give me the money of 10 cents, just give me 20%, just give me 30%. That's how they are actually making sure that they get paid on the basis of the result. So in that time, if you are doing this, you need to be very great at your skill, because if you are a new and if you are doing that, so you just testing the things. In that time you're not able to generate that kind of a result. And if you truly depend upon the cooperating only, you will not able to survive also. So you need to understand that if you go and if you tell the people that I want to get paid by the result, so in that time you should be have the right kind of a confidence in the cooperating. If you don't have, then you will die. I hope this video actually helps you a lot. Maybe it's gonna help a lot of maybe it's add a lot of value in your life. So please make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you share with all the cooperators. Thank you so much.